Looking to upgrade your home security but unsure which system to go for? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between three of the top players in the game: Ring, SimpliSafe, and Tolyvivv. Whether you're a first-time buyer or just looking to make the switch, we'll break down the key features, pros, and cons of each system to help you make an informed decision. From Ring's comprehensive smart home integration to SimpliSafe's budget-friendly customizable packages and Tolyvivov's innovative tech, we'll explore what sets each apart and which might be the best fit for your needs. Stay tuned as we go through everything you need to know to pick the right home security system for you. Let's get started. Number 3. Tolyvivov Smart Home Security System. The Tolyvivov Wi-Fi Door Alarm System is a comprehensive and affordable solution to securing your home or apartment. This 8-piece kit includes an alarm siren station, 5 door window sensors, and 2 remote controls, all designed to work seamlessly together. One of the standout features of this system is its smartphone integration, allowing you to control the alarm and receive instant alerts directly to your phone. Whether you're at home or on the go, you'll always know when your security is triggered. Best of all, there's no subscription fees or contracts, making it a cost-effective choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security without the ongoing cost of traditional systems. Customization is another key advantage of the Tolyvivov alarm system. If your security needs changed, you can easily expand the system by adding extra sensors, motion detectors, or even a wireless doorbell. With support for up to 20 sensors and 5 remotes, this system can be tailored to fit the size and layout of your home. This flexibility makes it perfect for both small apartments and larger houses, offering scalable protection as your needs grow. The system also features simple DIY installation, meaning you can have it up and running in minutes without the need for professional help or damaging your walls. In terms of functionality, the Tolyvivov system supports voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you an added level of convenience. You can arm or disarm the system with just a voice command, or switch between modes like away, home, or disarm, all without lifting a finger. It operates on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, ensuring a stable connection throughout your home. However, it's worth noting that it does not support 5G networks. The system also comes with a backup battery that lasts up to 8 hours, providing temporary power in case of an outage. With its easy installation, customizable options, and smart integration, the Tolyvivov Wi-Fi door alarm system offers many great features at an affordable price, but it does have a few downsides when compared to more established brands like Ring and SimpliSafe. One of the main limitations is that it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, which may cause connection issues in homes that rely on 5 GHz network for faster speeds. In contrast, both Ring and SimpliSafe are compatible with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, offering greater flexibility in terms of connectivity. This could be a deal breaker for users with more advanced network setups or those looking for faster internet speeds across multiple devices. Additionally, while Tolyvivov offers great DIY installation, it lacks some of the more advanced features found in Ring and SimpliSafe, such as HD video monitoring or professional monitoring services. Ring, for instance, offers video doorbells and cameras that can be integrated into the alarm system, providing a more complete security solution with real-time video feeds. SimpliSafe also offers optional professional monitoring, which provides 24/7 support in case of an emergency. Tolyvivov, on the other hand, doesn't offer professional monitoring, leaving users with only self-monitoring via the app, which might not be ideal for those who want constant professional oversight. Lastly, while the Tolyvivov system is customizable to some extent, it doesn't quite offer the same level of integration and advanced sensors that Ring and SimpliSafe provide. Both competitors offer more sophisticated sensors such as indoor cameras, flood sensors, and more specialized motion detectors, making their systems more comprehensive. If you need a complete security package with full integration, Ring and SimpliSafe may be better choices. However, for users who are looking for an affordable, straightforward DIY system without the need for additional features, the Tolyvivov alarm system offers good value for the money. Number 2. SimpliSafe Wireless Home Security System. The SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a simple, effective, and customizable security solution. With an easy-to-follow setup process, you can have your home secured in just minutes. There's no need for complicated wiring or drilling. The system includes additional components like entry sensors, a motion sensor, and a SimpliCam wired indoor security camera, all of which can be controlled through the user-friendly SimpliSafe app. Whether you're at home or away, the app gives you the complete control to arm, disarm, and monitor your system from anywhere, providing peace of mind 24/7. One of the standout features of SimpliSafe SimpliSafe is its optional professional monitoring, which starts with a free month of service and is available for less than $1 per day thereafter. With this plan, you'll have access to 24/7 monitoring by trained agents who can alert emergency responders and dispatch police in case of an emergency. The ability to enable video verification with your SimpliCam means that agents can confirm break-ins using real-time footage, resulting in faster police response. Additionally, the system offers flexible monitoring options with no long-term contracts or hidden fees, making it a convenient and affordable choice for home security. SimpliSafe is designed to provide full protection and customizable coverage for your home. The included entry sensors protect doors, windows, and cabinets with the ability to set secret alerts for discrete notifications if certain areas are accessed. The motion sensors cover over a 30-foot radius and can be tailored to avoid false alarms from pets under 60 pounds. For added protection, the system also comes with a panic button and a key fob, which lets you arm and disarm the system from up to 30 feet away. With cellular backup and up to 24 hours of battery life on the base station, you can rest easy knowing that SimpliSafe is always there to protect your home, even if the power or Wi-Fi goes out. Overall, SimpliSafe provides a comprehensive, reliable, and easy-to-use home security solution for anyone looking for peace of mind. While the SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system offers a comprehensive and reliable solution, it does have a few disadvantages when compared to competitors like Ring and Tolyvivv. One of the key drawbacks is the reliance on a subscription for professional monitoring, which, although affordable, still adds to ongoing cost. In contrast, Tolyvivv offers a completely subscription-free system, allowing you to monitor your home through the app without any additional fees. Ring also has optional professional monitoring, but it provides more flexibility in terms of bundling with their cameras and video doorbells, which may be more appealing for those looking for a fully integrated system. Other disadvantages of SimpliSafe is its focus on basic security components, such as door, window sensors, and motion detectors, without the level of smart home integration that Ring provides. Ring offers a broader range of devices, including video doorbells and outdoor cameras that integrate with Amazon Alexa, allowing for a more connected and seamless experience. The video footage from Ring camera is also available in HD, which may provide better clarity compared to SimpliSafe's wired SimpliCam. For those looking for video monitoring as part of their security system, Ring's video quality and integration may make it a more appealing choice. Lastly, while SimpliSafe does offer great DIY installation and customization options, it falls short of Tolyvivv's ability to expand the system with a large number of sensors and other devices. While SimpliSafe supports adding some extra components, Tolyvivv allows for greater flexibility, with the ability to expand up to 20 sensors and 5 remote controls. This can be particularly useful for larger homes or more complex security needs. If you need a system that can be tailored to more specific requirements without the need for professional help, Tolyvivv may offer more flexibility, while SimpliSafe's system can feel a bit more limited in comparison. Number 1. Ring Alarm Pro. The Ring Alarm Pro, the newest model, offers a cutting-edge home security solution with an impressive set of features designed to provide both protection and convenience. This 14-piece kit is packed with everything you need to secure your home, including the Alarm Pro base station, 2 keypads, 8 contact sensors for windows and doors, 2 motion detectors, and an alarm range extender. What sets this model apart is its integration with an Eero Wi-Fi 6 router, which helps maintain a fast and secure mesh network for your connected devices. This ensures that your home stays connected even if there are heavy demands on your Wi-Fi network, while also protecting you from online threats with optional online protection. One of the standout features of the Ring Alarm Pro is its easy installation process. The kit comes with everything you need, and setting up the system is a breeze using the Ring and Eero apps. The sensors can be placed in ideal locations around your home to cover all entry points, and the system can be expanded later with additional sensors or Eero extenders to fit your specific needs. With coverage of up to 1,500 square feet and Wi-Fi speeds up to 900 megabytes per second, this system ensures reliable performance across your home. For added peace of mind, the Ring Home Premium subscription, sold separately, allows you to arm and disarm the system remotely and assures your alarm remains operational even if your Wi-Fi goes down. The Ring Alarm Pro also integrates seamlessly with Alexa, giving you the ability to control your security system with just your voice. You can arm and disarm the alarm, receive notifications, and even access live video feeds from your Ring cameras, all through Alexa. For users seeking enhanced protection, you can opt for Ring's professional monitoring service, which provides emergency police, fire, and medical response at any time. While the base system offers excellent coverage and security, the optional additional subscription services, including Ring Home Premium and Professional Monitoring, provide added features and enhanced functionality. Whether you're looking for a simple DIY setup or a fully integrated smart home security system, the Ring Alarm Pro offers a solid and customizable solution. While the Ring Alarm Pro offers a range of impressive features, it does have some disadvantages when compared to systems like SimpliSafe and Tolyvivv. One of the key drawbacks is the resilience on a subscription for advanced features, such as remote arming and disarming, professional monitoring, and cloud video storage. While the Ring Alarm Pro can function without a subscription, its full potential is unlocked only through additional payments for the Ring Home Premium plan or the professional monitoring service. In contrast, Tolyvivv is completely subscription-free, allowing users to monitor their home via the app without any ongoing fees. SimpliSafe also offers affordable monitoring options with no long-term contracts, making it more cost-effective for users who want professional monitoring without breaking the bank. Another disadvantage of the Ring Alarm Pro is its relatively limited expansion options for home security sensors when compared to Tolyvivv. While the Ring system comes with a solid base kit and the ability to add additional sensors, it doesn't offer the same level of customization and scalability as Tolyvivv, which allows up to 20 sensors and 5 remotes for a more extensive setup. For larger homes or those with more specific needs, Tolyvivv might provide more flexibility without requiring additional, often costly accessories. SimpliSafe also supports a range of add-ons, including cameras and sensors, but it allows more room for growth and offers a broader range of smart home integrations than the Ring Alarm Pro. Lastly, the Ring excels at integration with smart home devices and Alexa. SimpliSafe offers a more comprehensive approach to home security, especially for users who want a more traditional security setup. SimpliSafe offers optional professional monitoring, including 24/7 police, fire, and medical response, which gives users a level of security that Ring's DIY approach doesn't offer without the premium subscription. Additionally, SimpliSafe's cameras and sensors are specifically designed for home security, whereas Ring's primary focus is on video doorbells and cameras, which may not always be the most robust solution for comprehensive home monitoring. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, no-frills security system with solid customer service and straightforward protection, SimpliSafe or Tolyvivv may be a better fit for your needs. And there you have it. We've taken a close look at 3 of the top home security systems: Ring, SimpliSafe, and Tolyvivv, each with its own set of unique features, advantages, and limitations. Whether you're drawn to Ring's smart home integrations and cutting-edge tech, SimpliSafe's affordable professional monitoring, or Tolyvivv's customizable and subscription-free approach, there's a solution out there that will fit your specific needs and preference. Ultimately, the best security system for you depends on your priorities, whether that's budget, convenience, or scalability. Make sure you weigh the pros and cons carefully before making your decision. Whatever you choose, investing in a home security system is a smart step toward protecting your family and home. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews to help you make the best choices for your home. Stay safe and secure.